Okay, hi guys, welcome to 1.12, a version I haven't played on. I have played a little of this version before because I needed to test and then I died. But what I do know is I need to give myself a town hall because you don't want to see how long it takes. Trust me, it takes a while. Okay, wait, I need to grab in kid. Yeah, so you did it off camera and it took me a while. It took me around an hour, and then I died and lost all my stuff and was very far away. So now, we're just going to start up again. I also wish I had Tree Decapitator. Back to chopping down oak logs with my fist. It's been a while since I've done that. Okay, so my first house isn't going to be amazing looking. It's just going to be a basic Minecraft house. Town hall. And then I'll build it better in maybe my next video or the video after that. I'm going to grab 20 things so I can just start my village. Then we go from there. Like, I'll eventually get iron stuff, but I would rather just have it start right away. And so if you have to watch me get all the iron or the diamonds and stuff for the, just to start. So, yeah, I'm scrub. Anyway, so, this is my first mod pack, other than Optifine. I've never really used a mod before. Well, on Pocket Edition I used to use mods, but they weren't like anything major. And then data packs don't really count as mods, even though they add stuff like guns, bananas. But yeah, they're not really mods. This is my first time playing a actual proper mod. So, like, data packs can sometimes get, like, overloaded. Like, you have so much data packs it don't even feel like a vanilla game anymore. Yeah, I might add more mods to this. Like, if you want more of this, leave a like. If we get 2 likes, then we will make another video. You know, it's funny because 2 likes is more likes than what I normally get. Anyway, so, I'll just let my door be here. There's no pillagers in this version, I know that. I think they are Vindicators, and Illusioners and Woodland Mansions and stuff like that, but they won't be a problem for me, because I'm not even going to go search for that stuff. Where I got the idea for this, I really like watching Wells Knight's videos, but, so I've been watching it for, well, I've been watching Hermitcraft for not that long, since, like, not even since the start of Season 6, like, halfway between, even though it's ending now, but yeah, and then, yeah, yeah, I really got into Hermitcraft and all the Hermitcraft YouTubers, but, yeah, that's how I got my idea for my realm and stuff, but I really do want to be separate from them. I don't want to just copy everything they do, even though I'm playing a mod pack by one of the Hermitcraft members, and I got the idea from a Hermitcraft member. Okay, yeah, we're back. I just had to go, toilet, so, anyway, like I was saying, so, yeah, I've never really done anything like this, and, like, how do I say this without sounding like I want to copy everything Hermitcraft does? I find what Hermitcraft does interesting, and things like Hermitcraft are really hard to pull off with a bunch of random people, or like some friends, because some people like steal, and Hermitcraft has like, well, they're all friends, they don't hate each other, they don't steal from each other. Everything they do is, planned out, like the Civil War, Area 76, 77. Yeah, it's all planned. Well, like, if you have a realm, like, Hermitcraft normally says just scare a group of friends and then do something like what they do, but a lot of people will just steal from each other, and like, so I've had my realm for around 6 months, I would say, around then, and I've had every single person on that server rob someone else, including a bunch of people robbing me, and like, it's really annoying. I don't really care, but a lot of people do get really annoyed. It's really hard to have a system where everyone works together when everyone's trying to rob each other. You know what I mean? I mean, you guys can't hear me, so it's kind of a rhetorical question. But like, it's hard to run something where no one else is civilized. It's like, I'm blanking. Anyway, yeah, it's like a server where no one follows rules. I'm forgetting the name. Like 2B2T. There's no rules, and everyone does whatever they like. That's kind of what my realms become. And I don't want things to be like that, but yeah. So, it is actually really hard to run a thing like Hermitcraft by yourself, like with people you know. I don't know why. Some people are really scummy. Like, not everyone. Like, not everyone on my server does that. Like, even though they rob, they will, like, admit they rob. Or they won't, like, they won't steal something major. But, like, it still really annoys me that people see the need to do that. Okay. I've always finished the building while I've been ranting? Is ranting the right word? I think it is. Wow, that was exactly the right amount of wood. I'm probably gonna record all of this on camera because I'm probably not even gonna play this without camera. Jesus, it's dark in there. I need a door. Let's go for a birch door. I think strips in this game. Maybe I'm wrong. Did I need that much wood? Yeah, I did. Are there more than one type of door? Yeah, okay, then they probably is. I don't know, maybe I'm right. Yes! Okay, it's worked. Welcome to the town hall. There's our mob spawning place. Okay. Where's our chest? Oh, is it just one? Hey, hello, architect. Oh, you are. I don't think this guy moved at all. Oh, here's my stuff. Hello, sir. What do you do? You trade me people. I don't think either of these guys moved. So now we can start getting, oh, yeah, they moved. Okay. That's good for me. No. Okay, I kind of wanna, I don't know, yeah, this building looks awful. I need some torches, mainly. I don't even have the basic stuff yet. That probably should be my first priority. Jesus, why are sheep so bulky? Like, that took me like a few hits. Controller player. I don't know why I'm saying controller player like that, but... Okay, the first thing I need to do is... Oh, nomads and merchants. Okay, that's not my first priority, but... Do I want a farmer yet? Okay, I'll just see what they're good at. What are you good at? You're good at cooking. Well, I don't want to cook yet. I would say I don't want to cook you yet. And you're... Okay, wait. BRB. Okay, we're back. And, nothing happened when I was gone. I don't think. So it's nighttime, so I'll probably get to sleep. Okay. In the morning, I need to fix up this place a little. Maybe just putting the roof a little higher, because I don't... How does that... I mean, it's not a very good spot for a tree, but how do it spawn there? That guy moves, but the other guy doesn't. Wait, no, they both move. They just... I need to get them cheers. I just don't know how to make cheers yet. Okay, what I want to do is... I want to get a lumberjack, but for a lumberjack, right, I'm going to need a storage. Just so he does all the wood collecting, while I don't. If that makes sense. I don't want to be the one collecting all this wood for other people, but what I'm going to want is some iron, so I can make some shears. That's my main priority. After I get a nomad. Does it say when a nomad's coming? I don't know. So, how do I have the storage? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Even if it's just a small box. Okay, it's gonna need to be a little. I need an axe. Okay, that's my next priority, to make an axe. Also, I want to get a person who's already got experience with being a woodcutter. But that's not my main priority right now. What I want to do is, where's axe? There we go. I make 3. Because that's my most important thing right now. Wait, I don't need birch. I might get some more. Oh god, voice crack. Jesus Christ. I might get some more mods for this. I don't know. We'll see. I want to go with only TekTopia mods though. Because then that way we're more streamlined. Instead of just having like this and then a bunch of bananas. Okay, I want to use this one axe so I can give the other 2 to the nomad. I mean, the, Oh, here they are. Okay, anyone good at lumberjacking? No, you guys are both. That's what you tell me. Okay. Excuse me. Is any more of you guys? Because I would rather. Okay, well, I'm not gonna get one yet then. Yeah, I'd rather have a actual. Oh, I'm gonna need. So, what I want to do in the next video is definitely get a, cow farm. Because, like, I'm gonna need so much item frames for all the building. What the hell was that? I don't want to be fighting, what's he called? The meanie guy. The meanie guy. I don't know what his name is, but he's, I need an iron frame. I need to go kill a cow. Where am I gonna find a cow? Wait, I did set my spawn, right? Okay, I think I can only set my spawn by sleeping, so. Wait, just for reason, I'm gonna. Whew, okay. Now I feel a lot more safe. Because then I can just go kill myself. I would rather play with my normal basic settings, you know? Because, why did I do that? Because I'm not really used to 1.12, and like, I don't even know I don't even know what half the blocks I normally use are in this. I know. Oh, this is the outside of my village. Okay. I might just go on the outline then. Because then I know where to go in. Wow, what the frigidity digity happened here? The frigidity digity. Oh, dude, this biome's actually really cool looking with all the birds and stuff. Like I said, this is a basic biome, by the way. Like I said, I've never really played mods before, and it's quite exciting. Okay, I'm just gonna end it here, and I'll come back to the village off camera, but that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do any cheaty bananas. Here's my inventory, so you guys believe me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys come back if you're a new watcher, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. See you guys soon.